Here I have CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select preferred language, just stay with English, tap start, then you can connect to the mobile network, but if you don't have SIM card on you can just skip this step now and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up device offline and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you should set up date and time, then you have these Google services which you can turn off and tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also just do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. And device is all set up. Yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.